Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the much anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This iconic touring bike has long been a favorite among riders, and this year it comes with some exciting updates. Whether you're a long-time fan or a newcomer, stay tuned as we explore what makes the 2025 model stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Street Glide retains its classic, bold design but with a few modern twists. The sleek profile is accentuated by sharper lines and a more aerodynamic silhouette. The new color options, including vibrant metallics and deep gloss finishes, ensure you'll turn heads on the road. The updated LED lighting not only enhances visibility but adds a contemporary touch to its overall look. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Street Glide is the powerful Milwaukee 8-117 engine, delivering an impressive 126 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides a thrilling ride whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. The new tuning and exhaust system enhance performance and provide that signature Harley rumble, ensuring you feel the power with every twist of the throttle. Technology and features. One of the standout upgrades for 2025 is the infotainment system. The 6.5-inch touchscreen is now more intuitive, offering seamless smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth and Android Auto. You can easily navigate, control music, and take calls while keeping your focus on the road. The improved sound system ensures that your favorite tunes sound fantastic, no matter the speed. Comfort and ergonomics. Long rides are a breeze on the 2025 Street Glide, thanks to its ergonomic seating and advanced suspension system. The adjustable rear suspension provides a smooth ride, absorbing bumps effortlessly. The new lower seat height allows for better reach to the ground, making it more accessible for riders of all sizes. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Street Glide is a remarkable blend of classic style and modern technology. With its powerful engine, upgraded features, and enhanced comfort, it's poised to be a top choice for touring enthusiasts. Whether you're planning a long journey or just a weekend ride, this bike promises an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Thanks for joining BikeZone.